How to copy my Instagram URL profile link. Firstly, open Instagram app on your device. From the bottom panel, click on your profile and go to your profile section. Make sure you are logged in with your account. In your profile section, you should see two options, Edit Profile and Share Profile. Select the option Share Profile. Now here you will see three options, Share Profile, Copy Link or Download. Or you can directly scan the QR. Click on Copy Link to copy the URL. Also, you can go to Edit Profile and select your username. Inside username, copy the username. Once your username has been copied, go back to your home page. Navigate to any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser, go to instagram.com. When you type in instagram.com, then put a slash and paste your username. Now search for it and your profile will appear. At the bottom, click on the search address. This address is also your URL. Now you can simply copy the URL and share it with your friends. That's all for today. Thank you.